Hey guys, there's this story esibuhlungu ngalendlela guys saseSoweto eDube. SikaThobile Shabalala. Her family actually spoke to Newsroom Africa about it. But my thing is that this thing that happened to Thobile in the US can happen to anyone. If we can help this family, I was just like, can I just be one of those people who are just relating this whole story out there? I'm sure 10 of 100 people can help, And my thing is that around help, you don't have to necessarily give a lot of money. And the family was actually talking, the spokesperson for the family is the uncle. He was just explaining the story. Bona, when it comes to GoFunding and all of that, they're not necessarily involved as a family, but they are asking for help. There is a few GoFunds that are done, or should I say GoFunding, that are done out there in the social media, but they are asking for help. So what happened was that, it's so heartbreaking, this is story. I was just like, I want to help, I want to do something now. So what happened was that uThobile graduated at aviation school, right? And then she went overseas in the US to work there as an au pair, right? So I think her first placement was in Ohio somewhere, and then it just didn't work out with this family, And then she also started to get sick, and she had like some mental problems, and then she stopped working there. Now they're not gonna help her with anything, health issues, and now your healthcare basically can't cover anything for you. And then she started staying with friends. All she wanted, uThobile, was to come back home. Oh, Aboleyo, breaks my heart. All she wanted now was to come back home, to a point there when she had these mental issues. She was staying with a friend, and then she one day went to the airport in the middle of the night, guys. I don't even think ukuthi uyazibona airport. I just want to go home. Next. So one of the friends was still trying to raise some money to bring it back home. And then the mental problems just started to be worse. At some stage, she fell and then was taken to hospital, where she later died. And you know what's crazy about it, though? The family is not even sure if this is the case. Have you ever felt like that? Like, what happened here? Yeah. So they were still talking to one of or two friends, I think is okay. That's the ones that were actually helping, And then they kept on saying, no, she's in hospital now. Her lungs are failing now, that whole day. And then later on, about to say Shonile. Now the problem is bringing her back home. So the family is asking if we can help repatriate her remains. Ngoba thina abantu abamnyama kwenzakala kanjani, guys. Umzimba wengane akwazi ukuba uzunguza le. Ngoba then another issue will be, will she be buried there and be given a proper burial, or she's brought home, or she's cremated. Konke lokho thina sibelievile kona except ukumletha ekhaya. So guys, if ungazama indlela ethizeni, xhumana no-News Africa and be like, mina ngifuna ukusiza. How can I help? Futhi not necessarily how can I help, this is how I can help. Uyibona? Njengoba ngisho guys, izinto kanje awubala imali uthi 50 rand or 100 rand ukhipha okusuka enhlizweni yakho because you're trying to help this family bring their child home. Phela, that's what you're trying to do here. Thank you so much guys for always supporting this channel. Nami ngithe akube khona umuntu engimsupportayo, because mina I've always believed ukuthi a day akube khona umuntu omsizayo, some kindness of some, noma usmilile nje guys for a day, it's fine. Kuyibona leyo nto leyo. Yeah, thank you so much guys, ngithanda over.